Do you think you can solve this question? One of my students gave me recently. This question is under arithmetic progression, under sequence and series, and it is involving the first term and last term of an arithmetic progression. So looking at the question, we have the first term of an AP is 2 and the last term is 29. If the common difference is 3, how many terms are in the arithmetic progression? So in this question, we have 2 as the first term, we have 29 as the last term, and we have 3 as the common difference. This is not like the usual AP question where they would ask you to find the nth term or the first term in an AP. Here we have the first term and we have the last term and we have the common difference. All we have to do is to look for the number of terms in the arithmetic progression. So writing out our parameters, we have the first term. The first term is, we are going to use it as A1, which is equal to 2. The last term is going to be AN, equal to 29, and the common difference is 3. Now, what formula can we use to solve this? It is simple. AN is equal to A1 plus the bracket N minus 1 close the bracket D. This formula involves your last term, your first term, the number of terms, and your common difference. So with this, we can use this formula to find even the last term when your first term is given, your number of terms, and your common difference is given. You can as well use it to find your first term if either of these 3 are also given. And now we have the last term, first term, and the common difference in this question. So we're going to make this n, which is the number of terms, to be the subject of our formula. So let's get on with it. We're going to substitute these values where we're supposed to put them. So AN here is 29 equal to A1 is 2 plus our N is still unknown, minus 1, and D is 3. So 29 still remains the same, 2 will remain the same. We're going to use this 3 to expand this bracket. So 3 times plus N will give you plus 3N. 3 times minus 1 will be equal to minus 3. So here we can see that we have only 3 that has what? N. So we're still going to continue solving by collecting like terms. We'll collect like terms here. 29 will remain here. When 2 comes over, it becomes minus 2 because it already has an invisible positive sign. Minus 3 comes over here to change to plus 3 equal to 3n. Then we can simplify this. 29 minus 2 plus 3, that would be 30 is equal to 3n. And in this case here, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is what? 3. Therefore, 30 all over 3 is equal to 3n all over 3. This 3 and 1, 3 and 10. 10 is equal to n. In other words, our n, which is our number of terms, is equal to 10. So that is option C. The number of terms here in this question is equal to 10. If you have any question regarding what I just solved now, or under sequence and series, it could be under arithmetic progression or geometric progression. Whatever question you might have, you can please put it down in the comment section, and I might probably use it for our next video so you can learn from that and we all can understand arithmetic progression to its fullest. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share to your friends also. Thank you.